Hey there! If you're looking to make your cooking experience faster, healthier, and more versatile, let me introduce you to the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven. This isn't just one appliance, it's two powerful air fryers in one. With a combined capacity of 6 quarts, you get two independent 3-quart baskets that let you cook different dishes at the same time, or easily switch between them depending on your needs. Imagine being able to prepare two different meals simultaneously, yet have them both finish cooking at exactly the right time thanks to the innovative sync finish feature. Whether you're making crispy fries in one basket and roasting juicy chicken in the other, you'll enjoy perfectly timed, evenly cooked results every single time. This air fryer oven is all about versatility. With dual zone technology, you can choose your desired temperature anywhere from 200 degrees to 430 degrees, allowing you to cook everything from delicate veggies to hearty meats with precision. And if you like your food with a crispy finish but without the extra oil, this appliance delivers healthier results with little to no oil, so you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The digital touch controls are super intuitive, making it easy to select from a range of preset options. Whether you're using the high fry mode for that extra crunch or taking advantage of the automatic shutoff for safety, every function is designed with convenience in mind. Plus, the added mute feature ensures that you can cook without any annoying beeps interrupting your kitchen peace. Another great benefit is the large, easy view windows that allow you to monitor your food's progress at all times. No more guessing or constantly opening the door. Now you can see exactly how your meal is coming along and adjust as needed. And when it comes time to clean up, the removable, non-stick coated baskets are dishwasher safe, making the cleanup process as quick and effortless as possible. Now before I finish, here's something really important. Always buy original products and stay away from copies to ensure you receive the high-quality performance and durability that Chefman is known for. I've shared the official product link in the description below, so you know you're getting the real deal, not a knockoff that might leave you disappointed. With its smart design, advanced features, and the ability to cook meals for your whole family, the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven is a kitchen game changer. It saves you time, energy, and hassle while delivering delicious restaurant-quality results right at home. So why wait? Upgrade your kitchen and enjoy faster, healthier, and more versatile cooking every day. Click the link below and get your Chefman air fryer oven today. Happy cooking!